This is the time for social studies class. So, we are in the chapter 2, Matchless Inventions that changed our life. In our last class, we discussed about the objective types question answers and I gave you a homework on it, true-false question answers. So, today I'll firstly tell you the answers of the true-false question answers, and next I'll discuss on the question answers on this chapter. Okay, so firstly I am telling you the true-false question and answer of the. Please check it out with your answers. Okay, write true for the correct statement and false for the wrong statement. Question number 1 was, the first people to invent paper were the Japanese. The answer is false. So what is the correct answer? The first people to invent paper were the Chinese. Okay. Next, question number 2 was, papyrus is a plant found along river Nile in Egypt. Answer is true. Next, number 3, in ancient times, people wrote on papyrus. In ancient time, people wrote on bark of trees or the wood, etc. Anything you can write here, bark of trees or wood, etc. or stone, anything, any type of. Next, number 4, printing press made it easy to use paper to make books. Answer is true. Humphrey Davy was a German scientist. False. So what is the correct answer? Humphrey Davy was an English scientist. Next, Graham Bell invented the television. The answer is false. John Leggy Baird invented the television is the right answer. Name of Baird's company was Baird Television Development Company. Answer is true. Next, John Baird made the electronic television. The answer is false. So what is the correct answer? John Baird made the mechanical television is the right answer. Next, question 9. It took 4,000 years for paper-making secrets to travel to Europe. Answer is false. So what is the right answer? It took 400 years for paper-making secrets to travel to Europe. Okay. Question 10. To invent television, Baird left his job. Answer is true. So, I think you all check the answers. You check my answers with your answers. So, now I'll tell you the question answers on this chapter. Okay. Next, answer the following questions. Number 1, name the different materials used for writing in ancient times. Answer, in ancient times, people wrote on wood, stone, ceramics, cloth bark, metal, silk, bamboo and tree leaves. Okay. Next, describe the making of first paper. Chinese were the first people to invent paper. In 105 AD, a Chinese court official named Cai Lun invented paper. He used mulberry tree bark, hemp, linen rags and fishnet to make a pulp. Then pressed out the liquid and hung it to dry. He presented the first paper to Emperor Han Ho Ti. Next, question number 3. What were the variety of paper emerged in ancient China? What they were used for? Answer, as the time passed, a variety of paper emerged, such as hemp paper, hide paper, bamboo paper and Zuan paper. Zuan, X-U-A-N, Zuan paper. And the second part, sub-part of the question is what they were used for. And the answer is they were used for Chinese paintings and calligraphy. Next, how paper became an essential part of Japanese culture? In 610 AD, Buddhist monks gradually spread the art of papermaking to Japan. Gradually, papermaking became an essential part of the Japanese culture. People used it for making writing materials, fan, garments, means hand fans. You know the paper hand fans? Yes. So fan, garments, dolls and even houses. Next, question number 5. How secret of paper making spread to Arab? In 751 AD, the Chinese and Arabs had wars. The Chinese were defeated and many of them were taken prisoners. Among them, many were paper makers. In exchange of their freedom, they teach the Arabs the secrets of paper making. In this way, secret of paper making spread to Arab. Question number 6. List 10 things from your daily life which is made of paper. Paper is now a part of our daily life. We use many things made of paper, such as books and copies, maps and charts, paper masks and dolls, paper plates and cups, paper envelope, paper box and carry bags, home decor made by paper, paper curtain, paper napkin, tickets and coupons, etc. Okay, next, question number 7. Why gas lights were dangerous? In 1800 AD, the main source of light was gas, but it was dirty, unhealthy, uncomfortable and dangerous because when gas burned, it created soot and caused explosions and fires. Question 8. What was the first-hand problem of the inventors to invent a light source? Answer. Inventors tried to invent a light source for decades. They knew the fact that it would have to be made of a filament in a vacuum, and when a current was passed through the filament, it would glow. The problem was the exact material that could glow continuously for long hours. Question 9. Name the physicists who introduced long-lasting filaments in the electric bulb. In 1860 AD, an English physicist, Sir Joseph Wilson Swan, and in 1877, Charles Francis Brush introduced long-lasting filaments in the electric bulb. Now, question number 10. Write a note on the contribution of Thomas Alva Edison for the light bulb. Answer. In 1879, Thomas Alva Edison discovered a carbon filament that could not burn up for more than 40 hours at a stretch. After that, he produced a bulb that could glow for over 1500 hours, and finally electric bulb was invented. Okay, next, question 11. How Baird motivated to invent television? Once Baird read the word television, that means to see from a distance, in a magazine. This made him curious about the idea about a machine which could transmit images and live events across the world. To make his dream come true, Baird left his job and shifted to a town near London. Finally, he made the first television in 1925. Here is the last question, question number 12. What was the televisor? In 1924, Baird made an actual working model of the first television. He called it the televisor. Using this, he managed to transmit a picture 2 or 3 years away to a receiver. So, these are the question answers. You all please write it in your own copy and remember all those question answers. Okay? So, that's all for our today's class, and bye till the next class.